Hey guys, it's me Unsha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recycle your old shirts. The shirts that I'm using here were all thrifted at a cheap price and I have worn them for at least 2 years. So I thought of trying my DIY skills on them. And before you get to the end of the video, let me know your guess in the comment section why I have titled this Disaster DIY. The first shirt is this oversized shirt which is so worn out at the collar and I just didn't like it anymore. So what I did is crop at every end corners of the shirt, that is the bottom, the collar and the arm. And this is how it looks now, and it's pretty cool and smart and I really like it. And the second DIY is also for an oversized shirt and I just crop it. The plan was to reattach the small length of the bottom and make it look more stylish, but my butterfingers couldn't handle that, so this is how it looks. And I really like it because I usually use this only for layering, but now I can wear it just as a shirt and it also looks more put together. And this is the last shirt for the DIY. It is awkwardly way too long for a short girl like me, so I crop it and I couldn't get more creative than that. So that's it, just a crop shirt. But now it looks more nice and comfortable, so I like it. We are coming to the end of the video, and if you haven't guessed it already, it's because I sew it in the tailor. I couldn't do it myself, and that's not a fully do it yourself. That's it for today's video, and if you like it, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.